Hi guys, in this tutorial today we are going to build our first Thursday app, and it's very simple that we are going to create in Python language and to create a simple website, simple applications that we can write our Thursday. Okay, so how to do it? So it's exactly like this. We have a daytime is we have a guys go to because you have to import daytime then streamlit as Streamlit because Streamlit is one of the easier environmental for a code editor, and you are going to build your websites or you are going to deploy your websites. I'm going to show you how to do it, guys. If you are new here, how to create a Streamlit or how to start to build. So I already download so many. I have so many tutorials I already upload on my channel. You are going to learning, and so here we have a date and then Streamlit date and then import, then when is your birthday, so it's here you can just put the name that's your the date times, and then I giving the date. If I give the from 2000, so guys it will back me 10 years back. So if 2000 it will be 1990, right? So and then I can't uh, get in 2024 or 2021 because they're the 10 years back. Always when I put like this, it will give me 10 years back. So last May, I just said, if let's go to change here, let's go to run, and then it's removed, right? And your birthday is date. So let's go to save, then go to on the browser to see how it look. Guys, look. So this is a when it's your birthday, it looks like this on the browser because this is your app and that you are going to deploy here. How to deploy that I'm going to show you, but just now when it's your birthday, you see here, and we can click here. You see we can go change, and let's click here. You see, guys, there's a 10 years back. Look from 2000. See, I write 2000. You see 1990, so there's a 10 years back, right? So how I can change that one, I will get, because we can't get 2024. You see we are only in 2020. 2010. Okay, 2010. Okay, and here is okay. And if we want to change our birthday, let's go to change in the year, and we get I'm going to show you. You can see how I can change. So here just I said 2020. Okay, it will be fine. 2020. Let's save and then go to see if there is anything change there. Let's to refresh. So guys, we are now in 2020. Let's go to click. Just see. Okay, you see here, guys, we get until next 10 years. You see until 2030 we get here from 2020 to 2030. Okay, so this is the meaning. And let's say our birthday in next year, how to do it there, your birthday. Okay, you change there in the months, put like 20. So you already got here. You see, guys, this way you guys how to create your Thursday applications, the machine learning, and how to integrate to data science. You don't need to like a front end. You don't need to like how to design like some CSS or HTML. Just you like taking like a long time to design like this one, because in machine learning, in Python, in data science, it's everything already done. So just you just giving some kind of functions and then to get your application, and then you're going to deploy your websites, and then you are going to interview in the biggest company, or you're going to start your own startup, how to build your own price. So you see here how to look and design and look really websites. Let's go to create our vacation also dates and how to create your next vacations. Let's go to on our code, guys. Here let's go to create a. Okay, I have a this code, guys. Okay, so we are now in today, right? Today is the date time, and then date time started now because we want to our vacation date start now, and then I just say next year. So very well, next year, and going to be today and year. So here I give the variable one, meaning year first, and then January, so we know it's a first, right? And day, and then uh months, right? We have a months and day, and then we have a year, right? So this is how it's working. And then we say next year. So December is ended in the 31, and I said I put date, then start date, input, select. So this is just the name that you can put your any description here. So January 1st, and January 1st, and then December has 31, and then for month. So this is the date that you are going to use it here. And then day. Okay, let's go to save, and then go to on the browser to see if how it's working or how it's look, and if it's you will get plus to refresh. Wow, look guys, we already got select your vacation for the next year. So, and these are vacations that started from the January 1st and then to January 7th. So you have a 1 week to vacations. Here also it's that already down here we can see start from the 1st of January and then to end on the 7th of January. So let's go to click and then we want it our own. Okay, so just say that 2020 is for, and then started January 1st, and then we want it to January 24. Okay, so guys look, and then start to January 1st, and then to in January 25. So is the our dates, guys, that we are going to get more than 3 weeks of our vacation. So you can go to here to change uh here to change the date, like just say it next year on October 10. So start from January 25 to until this one. So this is guys how to create your next Thursday application or your vacation dates. You see everything is look really websites. And then guys you take this code, then you can deploy on the internet. Everybody can see, right? It's so simple to creating in Python language. You are going to do it so many things because this is how uh, machine learning, our data science work. So guys, I'm looking forward to see you in my next tutorial. Guys, if you are new here, like, subscribe to sharing those who want to learning like these things and to build their next websites. Here to help you guys if you are going to build so many things on this platform. Bye for now.